Hello. Blessings, everybody. My name is Sean, and I just want to say thank you for taking time out to check out this video here on my new channel, Pathway to Prosperity, P2P. So I'm just your average small town guy who has achieved the American dream, or at least the dream that there was given to me since I was little, and that was go to school, get good grades, go to college, land this awesome paying job, or start your career. But what they failed to mention was the financial knowledge and education along the way that wasn't given to us in school, and the huge amount of debt that we incurred along that blueprint, if you will. So the reason I created P2P, this channel, is because I wanted to share with you guys the tips and strategies that I've learned over the last year or so, just under 2 years that I've been online. And the reason for me coming online was because, like I said, I've achieved the American dream, and it wasn't all that it was hyped up to be. So I needed a way to reach the things that I wanted to reach in my life, and to accomplish the things that I wanted to accomplish. And so over the last couple of years, I've ran into some amazing people that actually care and have been pouring into, what I'm looking for continuously, still do. And I wanted to share those things with you guys here on the platform, in this YouTube platform. I've used YouTube to figure out how to fix my car, my house, and how to do different projects. So I think this is the perfect platform to share with you guys, my journey, my pathway that I'm pursuing to create generational wealth. So that's why I've created this channel, and I'm thankful for you guys to hopefully I can provide value and pour into your spirit as well. So here on this channel, you'll find tips and strategies, motivation, inspiration to get started. Just never too late to get started. Hey, it's my new channel, and it's never too late. So anyway, hope you find value here. If you do, give me that thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll drop tons of value in the description, so be sure to read that. I love giving away things. It just makes it easier for you. So like I said, I want to cut your learning curve in half, and share the things that I've learned with you. So be sure to like, be sure to subscribe for future videos on how you can reach your goals too. So thank you for tuning in, and God bless you. I'll talk to you soon.